Fitness tracking is moving from our wrists to our fingers. But can smart rings actually replace a smartwatch or a fitness band? Today we have with us the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Let's find out in our review. Ultrahuman Ring Air can easily pass off as a traditional ring. The design is minimal on the outside and modern on the inside. The outer part is protected by fighter jet grade titanium. But despite my best efforts, it picked up minor scratches. What really makes this ring comfortable to wear is its weight, or rather the lack of it. You can easily wear this ring for days without feeling any kind of fatigue. Your health metrics are shown on the Ultrahuman smartphone app. These include movement, stress levels, heart rate, skin temperature and more. But my absolute favorite is the caffeine window. It tells you the right time to consume coffee so as to not affect your sleep. The ring truly aces in monitoring sleep quality. It tells you the total sleep time, sleep stages and much more. It detected when I wasn't in deep slumber and even my late night bathroom break. All this added up to a sleep score which closely reflected how tired or fresh I was in the morning. It can't, however, track workouts. Compared to a smartwatch, the ring is not able to accurately track weight training sessions in the gym. Hopefully this gets better with a future software update. When it comes to battery life, the Ring Air was consistently able to last 5 to 6 days on a single charge. There's a charger that is bundled in the box. All you need is to place the ring on it and it starts charging. It's the only wearable I have used that I don't feel like taking off, unless the app reminds me to charge the ring. But can it replace a smartwatch? The answer is no, period. And for these reasons, we rate the Ultrahuman Ring Air 4 out of 5. Subscribe to Unboxed by Croma for more tech reviews.